screen check. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 75 Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day because on this day India Constitution came into force. It was on 26 January 1950. This date is landmark Indian history. It took great hard work for the great leaders, thinkers, education, and the well-wisher to draft the India Constitution. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is the father of the India Constitution. Our Constitution is the longest written Constitution in the world. Every year on this day, held on the Rajpath of Delhi, since we got independence from British rule. In 1947, our country has developed a lot and contact among the most powerful of countries. We should make more and more efforts to make India a better place to live. It is a special day for our country. Republic is a national festival of our country. Thank you to all my teachers having for me on stage today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.